Hi there, I'm going to walk you through exporting membership information. So once you log in, you're going to come over here to the right side, come to Union Members. If you notice up here in the right side, there is an export button and it is gray right now. What you're going to do is you're going to select the fields that you want to export. So if you wanted to export name, email, and let's say employee ID, you would select those. And then if you notice now, this button is blue. And as soon as you push that button, it'll give you an Excel file. It'll export an Excel file. If you want to export only registered or unregistered members, you come over here to this toggle and you would select which one you want, registered or unregistered. We're going to go ahead and do registered. And then if I wanted all the information, I could just click this first one or unclick it to reset it. And then again, just click the information out of those registered members that I want. So I'm going to do name, email, and their status just to confirm that they are registered. And then as soon as I export this, it's going to come up. I actually don't have Excel on my computer, so if you don't have Excel, this is how it'll open up. But if you do have Excel, it'll open up in an Excel sheet for you.